Credos. My current salt and pepper grinders are experiencing a very slow, painful death. And so today I'm opening a replacement. A battery-operated salt and pepper grinder set by a company called Flafster Kitchen. Flafster is a small family-owned operation close to my heart. So let's see what we've got. If you know me in my kitchen, you know I got red, but it also comes in stainless steel. The first thing I want to show you is the little caddy. To be honest, normally I don't like extra things, but in the case of a salt and pepper set, it's nice to keep them together. This one's cute, isn't it? So here are the grinders. And you can see, push button top. The top says, warning, inserting the batteries wrongly leads to little or no grinding, I would assume. You'll see the marks are not lined up right there. That means it's locked. Simply twist to align, and the top opens with the battery compartment. If you need a remedial battery review, the side that pokes up is the positive, the flat side is the negative. So just follow the directions and match the top side with whatever the symbol is. There we go. Now you're just gonna line the lines back up to put it in place and twist till it's misaligned. There it goes. Now I'll do the other one. And we have 2 working units. Now we just need to fill them. The bottom of each unit has a rubber cap. To use it, you're going to remove it. And this is also where the setting dial for coarse to fine is. And it's labeled on the bottom. When not in use, you're simply going to put the cap back on to keep any extra grinding from spilling. To fill it, you're going to look at the front. There's a lock and an unlock symbol. Turn it to unlock and open. It's that easy. And there's the opening. I really like the fact that you don't feed it through the bottom. A lot cleaner. So I'll do pepper in this one. The opening is conveniently quite wide. And I could use a spoon or something, but I'm not going to bother. There we go. And I'm gonna put my cap back on in the unlock position and switch it to the locked side. Now we'll do the salt in the same manner. And again, pop on the top and twist. Shall we see the results? I'm gonna love using these. And if you're looking for a cute salt and pepper grinder replacement, check these out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and ring that notification bell. You can also follow along on Instagram at Midlife Credo and join the Midlife Tribe on Facebook too, where we're thriving midlife without the crisis, with plenty of spice and seasoning. May go have a tasty day.